So I'm going to be showing you guys what I do every evening before going to bed. Okay guys, I will take you along as I do it. Okay, okay, so just stay tuned. I'm without the ring light. I'm just trying to use my camera light if it will be okay. So this is my kitchen, guys. I'm gonna show you guys how I clean it before going to bed. Okay, I'm just gonna let me show you my kitchen a little bit. Okay guys, keep watching. I'm just trying to use this camera light a little bit to make it beautiful, but the light is not coming out the way it's supposed to be. So this is my TV. My door is open. Let me close the door so that you guys can see very well. Okay guys, as I was saying before, I'm gonna show you guys what I do every evening. But before, let me show you the kitchen. It's dirty so that you guys can see how I normally do it. So I love this yellow thing down my line. It's so beautiful, guys. What do you think? So I just want to put everything in order the way that I really want my kitchen to be. I'm proud of myself. I remember when I came to this house, nothing guys, nothing in this house. There was nothing in this house, but guess what? Today I have tried my possible best to make this house to be the way that I need it. Everything in life is just time, okay? It's just time and patience, and you work on it. Okay, you can see what I'm using to clean right now, the rag over there. So guys, we're going to be cleaning night routine before I go to bed. Okay, this is what I normally do. Sometimes I will just be there doing all these things and then take my bath, and yeah, that is it. You need to clean your kitchen before going to bed so that in the morning of it, your house, everything is beautiful and clean. Don't go to bed without cleaning your kitchen. Okay, so that is it. Look at that flower over there. I did that just so flower. I did it myself. It's a DIY. I don't know if you guys see. You want me to tell you what I have inside, but you already sees everything. So that is it. Okay, I'm just trying to show you how the kitchen is, and yeah, it's nice. It's so dirty, and I'm gonna clean the table as well. And we have our beautiful and we have Mia, we have Mitchell, we have Misha. I can't remember their name. The fishes. We have 3 fish here. Okay, so that is it. And yeah, nice. I wanted to take coffee before cleaning, but I'm gonna take the coffee with you guys. As I take the coffee, then after that we are gonna clean. There is TV over there, and here is some flowers, some vegetables for food and everything, calendar, and then I have some flower over there. Okay, there's some flower over there. It's a beautiful flower that I did myself. One of the things is no longer okay. Just try to put the table here. Everything is just iron and this wood. This shed here, my hubby told me, do you know how much it is? But I don't like it. Yeah, I prefer this modern one. You know, guys, you know now. Know your baby girl, but don't want quality. So guys, clean with me. I fried this evening, and let's go there as we clean together. First of all, let's take our coffee, okay? Okay guys, I will drink my coffee right now. So then we go ahead and clean the kitchen. Okay, so she almost faints. I'm watching my video. I'm a fan to my own self. Yeah, I'm a fan to myself. I love to watch myself. I love to listen to whatever I do. So, but when I'm hungry, I don't like to do that. So when I'm angry, I'm angry. When I'm angry, I don't like to watch the video whereby I was angry. Okay, that is it. So the word for it is, whenever I'm angry, I do it. I did a video to defend myself or to clarify myself. I can't even watch the video. Like, I can't go back again and watch that same video whereby I was angry. No, I don't watch video like that, because once I watch, it will remind me of what I did say, what I'm supposed to say. Just like one video that I still remember. Sometimes I do feel it though. Somebody commented, she was like, oh, you will regret of all this video that you are doing now. I was like, no, I will never regret. If I have opportunity to even do it, like to say it, I pray never to do it. If I have the opportunity of maybe that moment to do it, there are some things I'm supposed to say which I didn't say, because when I'm angry, I will just say when I'm angry that moment, not exactly the pain and everything, you know. More you go deep, more you will be hurt. So that is why sometimes when I'm angry, I'll just throw that little one that makes me to be angry that moment, not going back, because I don't live in my past. I don't like to live in my past. I don't like it. People who always live in their past. It's very bad. It's not nice, you know. Okay, guys. So before I clean this very place, I want to set the table. Okay, because I love the table to be. I love the table to be covered. Okay. I'm supposed to hang it, but the place I normally put sugar, Serena put the bottle. So bear with me, guys, as I remove all this thing. Like the body, everything. Let's see what I'm talking. Can you see the hips? Can you see my hips? Okay, everything is coming back again now. It's getting wider again, so I don't want to be wider this. So I only eat something so light, and maybe later I will drink milk, which milk normally. This one is not that too. It's not big enough to cover all the. It's always a little bit dirty. We have our fish here. You're supposed to put it up to also leave it there. Have it. You don't need to tell that story. This is not for gas, but because of I'm gonna clean here also. I'm gonna use this one. Then I will use this fibra and get it from what do you call this thing? I can't remember the name. Just wet it with a little bit of water. Okay. Just to remove that oil of frying that I did before. Just remember. So here is the vegetable for you to believe me. They're not everywhere to be clean. So the next thing to do is ask them. It doesn't work. Normally they do this every evening before going to bed, mostly whenever I fry. So I can keep it to the next day for us to be like everywhere for me. You can see this is one of our cassatore. Okay, to remove oil and everything. Just put water inside, and it's very nice to do what I'm doing. So instead of you you're going to touch water 20 times. Just do it like this, okay? This is my ventilator here. easy hair ventilator, whatever you call it. And I do use it when I'm cooking because I don't like my kitchen to be smelly. Even sometimes my husband is always, you open door during winter and your this thing is on. Once it's on, close the door. Because during winter, you know, everywhere is cool. I'm like, no. Let it go out. Imagine somebody listening now. And mostly, you know, when you are cooking, so soup, why are you falling? You are cooking a stew. Stew is okay. Like soup with stockfish. Stockfish can smell for the whole country. So I don't know use it that much. It's very difficult. It's like I want to black soup or like the Versace egusi soup that I prepared. I use smoked rabbits. I went to the supermarket. I bought fresh rabbit. And then I later smoke it with catfish, 2 types of catfish. Okay? In Benin we call it ebe, but here they buy ewe. I understand. So really, why am I speaking Benin on this video? So that is how I did it. There's 2 catfish. Okay, it's called catfish, 2 types of it. And I had tilapia fish with beef and fresh fish. The soup is so delicious. I don't like goosey soup, but whenever I prepare it, I always prepare it in the classic way. So whenever I want to eat it, I will eat it to my satisfaction. Till the next year, I don't know how many times I cook a goosey in a year. Probably 3 to 4 times in a year. But the rest soup is always okra, black soup, ogbono soup, spinach soup. I'm not the fan of egusi. So I'm still using my water to spread everywhere now. It's not 100% clean the way it's supposed to be, but I can't stress myself. I've tried. So we always need to relax a little bit, but guess what? As a mother, you need to keep your house clean and be that strong woman. Okay guys, I will show you the
I'm almost done with the cleaning. Hey guys, I'm cleaning the door because normally not when you open door, mostly when I'm cooking, I do touch with the hands of oil and everything, so I need to clean it. I need to remove the oil and I need to remove those hand touch, okay, those handprint windows. Hey guys, that is it. Then use it to clean. So this is the final setup of everything. I'm just cleaning it, so I'm gonna show you guys the hint of everything. In case you watch to this extent, I want you to know that you are loved, you are appreciated. I saw that Serena throw a brioche inside. You know guys, you guys know your baby Serena. So this is it. Just check it out with 9 different way of flashing it. So guys, yeah, I'm done cleaning. Just once you clean every day, it's easy for you to clean. 30 minutes you are done with everything. But if you don't clean every day, you will stay hours. So it's always good after eating, just do some exercise. You know, the baby girl is getting fatter. You can see her tummy, her back side, everything is getting bigger. Thank you for watching guys. I love my kitchen to be all these things that all this mede. I love it guys. All this casino, mi piace così. I love it. I love whenever I need something, all those things there like spaghetti, everything. I love to be seeing it there. So this is just the way that I'll bring my kitchen. Yeah, little by little everything will be better, because I remember when I came to this house there was nothing guys, nothing. only fridge, nothing inside the fridge, everything was empty. So I've tried, and my mother Hillary, she gave me accolade by saying, oh, the house, you are doing it according to your taste. Yeah, according to my taste. So guys, thank you for watching. I love you.